unboxed baby born surprise. This is my friend Cookie. Then let's open it now. Whoa. Here we go. Now we do this, and then we do that. And wait, where is my baby? Oh, here she or he is. It's in this little costume. Let me open it. And let's see if it's a boy or a girl. Oh, it's a cute little girl with her cute little blanket. And let's open this. And here is her little bottle. It's pink. So we know it's definitely a girl. Let's see. Here is the checklist. Here we go. So where's that other side? I know it's around here somewhere. Oh, here we go. And here. So here's the little checklist, and what's the name? You can figure that out by where did you go? Oh, here she is. So here is the checklist. It shows you the name by the color of the eye and the color of the hair. And one's my birthday and one's the star sign. And these are the ones you can collect. So you can wake them up, which is very fun. It's really fun to wake them up. You can only do it one time, so I like to see what their eye color is last. So it's like a surprise. We're gonna go and get some water and see what its favorite food is and see what what color eyes she has. Okay, I'm gonna do her eyes first. I'm gonna get a little water from here. Put that in. And her eyes are, let's see, what color are they? They're green. She has green eyes. In. She snored a little. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that little white that thing. It's really pretty. I think her name is Madison. Yeah, I think that's what her name is. Okay, so now we're gonna see what her favorite food is. So first, I have to put the bottle like that to feed her. And I'm gonna feed her. pee. I'm gonna give you a little more. All that water in. Put you upside down a little. I think it's strawberries. I think her favorite food is strawberries. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So her birthday is, so it's berry ice cream cone. It's June. I'm gonna see if she wants to pee a little more. It looks like she doesn't want to pee. It looks like she wants to spit. Let's see. I just want to put these in the water so it puts it a little darker, but I think I'm supposed to just make her go pee. But to make it darker, I think I have to do that. I'm going to do it. It's not making it darker. That's strange. I thought it would. I think her favorite food is... Oh, it's seashells! I think. So seashells, so her favorite food is pineapple. It's cool that her favorite food is pineapples. She's taking a little bath right here. Okay, so blueberry ice cream, that is what her birthday is. So her birthday is, let's look at the calendar. What's today? Oh, Saturday. So it's the 27th. Of June. So it's blueberry ice cream cone. That's her birthday, and her star sign is Cancer, and her name is Madison, and her favorite food is pineapple. And here she has a pink bottle. She has a little ice cream fuzzy swaddle, and she has a seashell diaper, and she's on here, and she is right here. That's it, I think, for our little baby. That's it for today. Subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up.